easy go.
What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? It's our second and final day here at Virginia Beach. After that, maybe next week or so, we're heading to Chicago. So, yeah, so it's the best part of summer games. The whole squad's in the water, so I hope to maybe join them in a moment. And yeah, oh, my hair's a mess, but it's supposed to be like that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the water. This is the ocean right behind me right there. You can see it. I'm about to head in there, join that group, and you know, enjoy myself. So, let's have some fun, y'all. Okay, it's the first time with me without glasses, so we're in the subway now. This whole group is. We got like 3 shirtless people with us. It's Neve, Ronan, and Metal Boss. So, got Sugar on Maroon 5 over there. Don't know what. It's at the next door hotel, but in the subway. Oh. So let's move. So many choices. What could I get? I know what I want. Steak with the beef. You know. Steak with the beef and you know, with a sub bread. New channel together later on. So. Okay, I'm back in the hotel room. Been quite a fun outside. I didn't get to show you this yet. The ocean from the 9th floor of Holiday Inn. Here it is. So yeah, it's quite amazing. So Metal Boss is gonna be taking a shower. I gotta do that too. And you hear that TV? It's Team Movies with me. I used to watch that when I was little, you know, so Metal Boss about to shower, then I'll go in.
Whoa, you press this button right there.
Shower's all done. I don't know why I'm looking away from the camera, but shower's done, everything's still normal, it's still cloudy, not as sunny as it used to be before. Yeah. But now that's all done. Just waiting for Metal Boss to finish up, and I'll be on my way downstairs. So yeah, pretty much it. That's it. That's all I gotta say. But I don't know what to say. Alright, see you in a bit, guys. Not the correct runway layout. Not the correct runway layout. Runway numbers, pathway, I don't know what it's called. Then we rotate. That's it. I'm that kind of person, though. Speaking of that, I gotta get this. Speaking of that, I gotta get to streaming later on. I mean, I can't do it. I can't do it here. I'm on vacation, so maybe when I get back, I'm trying to stream. I'm trying, but I have other things keep me busy.
Are you streaming right now?
No, I'm not streaming.
What?
I should get back to streaming. That's what it is. So,
She's on our YouTube
my personal channel. Anyways,
She's on our YouTube channel.
see you guys somewhere, some restaurant. I don't know. We'll see you on the way down.
Probably in the car.
That is unusual. A squad of helicopters. Look at that. Okay, now we're on the boardwalk. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I don't know what to say. You know what I'm saying? This one, Bellas's parents, they were acting like so crazy. They're saying, get your booty downstairs. I'm like, really act like that on us? I'm like, you're weird, okay? I don't know if it's the fact they drank too much. I don't know. I don't know. I just generally don't know why you did that. Okay. But anyways, during time on the boardwalk. So, yeah, what's going on right now? Yep, that's why I'm showing my face in it. Yeah. Anyways, that's what's going on right now. Just hanging out on the boardwalk, taking a little before dinner. So apparently we didn't get to the playground. It's back there. You may not see it. Those blue bars, if I can see. I don't know if you can see those blue bars, but got some music going on back there. It's not one of my songs. They're just a local band. I don't know, but like, I I think we're gonna be on the way back now for some dinner. I don't know what this is gonna be, so
Supernova?
yeah.
Wait. No. But... Oh. Wait, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna smash your view. Ready?
Stop. I'm more the proper recorder. You get what I'm saying?
Bop. Bop. Wait, guys. High five. High five.
Yeah, anyways.
Let me get the camera. Let me get the camera.
Seriously. Bruh.
Get both of us in, man. I think get both of us in. No, both of us. There we go. That's better. What is up? My name
I'm not recording
is
for long,
Craziness, and today, oh gosh, today we're gonna be looking at my face this whole time.
Shut up. Okay. Whatever. All right. But you know what would be nice, guys? I mean, what would be nice, like, you know, doing something like this. Put the camera in the water. Well, like, but I don't. But the question is, I mean, this is the iPhone 7 that I'm holding right now, and the question is, the question is it water resistant? Like the commercial said,
It's
it is.
Supernova here, guys. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
But the question is the iPhone 7 actually water
Who's here,
resistant?
bro?
I gotta find out.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
You're fucking around me. Why are you doing that? The question is it actually water resistant? I don't know about that.
Going round and around and
No, Ishan. Why are you doing it that way?
Because it's a selfie mode for video.
Can you give me some skins in Fortnite?
I didn't get it. Ronan did it.
I know, but don't you have skins?
I do, yeah.
Can you give me some?
Like how?
Like, there's giving an update. No. They're giving me an update. And they're allowing you to give, like, trade stuff. So can you give me a skin?
I'll see what I can do. I'll try. But yeah, I'm not a master at Fortnite yet. But I'll see what I can do. I don't know. But like, help with that. Anyways, heading back to the hotel to get ready for dinner. So, yeah. See you guys then. Orange sorbet, yo. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, so now we're at Giovanni's place. I don't know what this place is called. It's like some Italian restaurant. So what I'm thinking about getting is this chicken Alfredo. I'm too zoomed in. There you go. I'm gonna get that. I don't want a kids menu. I mean, I'm almost 16. Wait, what the hell? Anyways, enough of that talk. I'm gonna get chicken Alfredo, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So, yep, that's us. Headliner Mansion, we got Siller. Head bobbing. The legend, MJ, Michael Jackson. Beautiful fireworks. It's missing out.
The boat's on fire.
They do this every Saturday?
I don't know. Is it every Wednesday too?
So cool.
Mm-hmm.
You guys can see that.
Battery's low, gotta watch out.
With the boats in it.
Wow, man. What a celebration to your parents, huh?
Just
Oh, you don't go. How are you feeling?
I'm a little bit better, beta.
Yeah. I don't know. It's amazing. I'm missing out.
That is some nice fireworks.
You're missing out.
Little American.
It doesn't even say USA on them.
Yeah, it's coming from the boat. I'm gonna miss
It's
this
a
now.
boat.
I was wondering what that was.
It's huge. can't see you. It's really dark. It's like my phone just falls into these bushes. Whoa, oh my phone. Whoa. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Yo, what's up? Hey. Wait, let me see. Supernova Squad. What's up? Yo.
What's up?
Alright.
Romance scene, man. It's awesome.
Look at the people making out on the beach. You guys are at the beach.
Like, compared to these fireworks, they're much closer than when we see in DC.
Yeah, the ones that we see in DC, these ones are much closer.
Much closer. I was like on my mom's balcony.
Skateboarder right there.
I was on my mom's
Hi, bro.
balcony
Hi, bro. How you doing,
from
man?
ARP,
Skateboarder.
and I was on my mom's office balcony watching those fireworks on the 4th
Another
of July.
skateboarder, baby. With somebody doing skateboarding. Ramen right there.
It's amazing.
Yo, that was loud. That was dang loud, bro.
Does no one see that it sometimes makes like images? Does no one see that it makes images sometimes?
Yeah, I saw USA in DC. You can't get that here. You're that professional.
Skateboarder. Don't die, bro. Don't die.
Styles. Beautiful styles.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
These are some loud fireworks.
Because of how close they are.
Because these are really close fireworks.
So shooting them.
Down. Yo, look at all this smoke. I don't know if you guys can see it. Dude, look at the smoke there is. Yo, you guys see them? Look there, okay? Yo, you guys saw the smoke? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is freaking crazy, guys. It sounds like rain.
It's like those flashy ones. They're not that loud from DC.
I'm thinking I'm gonna go
Ooh,
back
look
in
at
now.
that.
Yeah. Alright guys, anyway, so last day in
Wait, finale. It's the finale.
Whoa. That was beautiful,
I
guys.
got that.
Peace, guys.
Okay. Well, yeah. Typically, these displays don't last as long as the 4th of July. So, anyways, typically see in the beach, legal to shoot in Myrtle Beach. But hey, this is quite amazing. Anyways, that's it. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have liked this video and want to see more, please leave a like and comment down and let us know. And also, don't forget to check out the rest of our videos as well. And don't forget to follow me on my original channel, DC4WTA. It's right here. I will say it right here or something like that. You can see it. All right. And yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to Supernova ENG. And I'll see you guys in the next video.